Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today we will feature our Brazil chicken over there. Oh, they're watching. So we already put fence mano last week on our lime mga kabuchi, and I think this one already survived. And then here our lemon, our lime biyahe. So they have fruits mga kabuchi. Wala pa na-remove sa ako ang sister. So we will adjust the camera mga kabuchi kay murag dili man makita. Oh, see? So mauna na sila mga kabuchi. Agoy! Very kuana. Plenty of organic matters here in our garden mga kabuchi. And then look at this slime mga kabuchi. I think so far they are safe and sound from our Brazil chicken. So, oh. So, nagkabang natang Brazil chicken, mga kabuchi. They are thinking that I'm gonna catch them. Am I gonna catch them? Pikachu! Ang isa ka white, makata white, mga kabuchi. Oo, asa siya? Asa siya? Okay. So, dinha lang po sila likay-likay. So, look at this organic matter, mga kabuchi. Oh, daghan ka. Look at that. So, they are staying in this area. They are night and day. Oh, di ba? O, asa ka? Ayaw! No! Don't go there! Shh! Shh! Don't go there! No! 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 Agoy! So, we are seeing it firsthand, mga kabuchi, that our kuan is not that effective, the eye. But I think I just have to put this one in a good position, mga kabuchi, so that they can go there. So, ato de ang kuan is not effective. Atong fencing, no? Because when the chickens are kunang afraid, they can still kuan man. They can still come. So, we are seeing new branches for our lemon, mga kabuchi. Lemon na gyud ni siya, mga kabuchi. I always mistake lime for lemon, but this one is actually the lemon. And the small plants here, small leaves here. Smaller leaves are the lime. And this one is kuan. Anak ta diri. Oy, ay. So, tara atong mga Brazil chicken, mga kabuchi. Okay, we will kuan change camera, mga kabuchi, ha. Change camera. Okay, we're back. Changing our camera, mga kabuchi, kay we cannot focus magod our Brazil chicken with the other camera, mga kabuchi. So, di lang nga to sila dolon because they're so afraid. They're afraid of their boss. Di patamuron pa kanoon ron, no? Man, gusto mo, di mo pa kanoon? Awa, mga kabuchi. The roster over there, mga kabuchi, bawo, they're trying to tease each other. Agoy, musukol man ang white nako sa puti. So, oges versus oges. Atong i-up ang camera, mga kabuchi. Let's watch their show. Oh, ha? Alay, nakababag gamay, pero it's okay. Hindi mo kayo tinaw, no? Ito lang yung kuhaan, hindi man tinaw. So, maldito dyan niya ang ako ang uges. Si Joy. Ang red is the Joy. So, I think the white one realizes that I am taking a video, mga kabuchi, and is trying to go away from the challenge. Kana, 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 sukul ya. So because of their feeders mga kabuchi, maybe the other chicken mga kabuchi thinks that it's kanang kuan. It's very brave, always brave. Okay. So this should be the end of our video na mga kabuchi because the Brazil chicken are afraid of their boss. Maybe what I should do is I will stop feeding them mga kabuchi. I will not feeding you. What can you say if I'm not gonna feed you, huh? But I'm not the one feeding them. It's my sister, so maybe that's why. That is why. So we will just take a closer picture with them mga kabuchi. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.